My name is Jodie O'Connell-Pankos. I am the founder of Destiny's Ride, a therapeutic horseback riding program. I am also an occupational therapist. And in 1985, a series of events led me to lose my dominant hand in an industrial accident that forever changed the course of my life. I had started wearing prosthetics shortly after I had lost my hand. In about September, they had tried fitting me, and it was with a dual site Ottobock hand. And I struggled with using it. It caused so much discomfort. It would hang by my side. It was too heavy. So I spent 25 years going without a prosthetic device. In 2015, I just started to see a lot of hands that were coming on the market, and I thought, you know what, maybe I can try this again and see if this is something for me. I was introduced to the TASKA hand while I was actually at a conference, and I thought it was really great because it was waterproofed, it looked durable, and I thought that this is perfect. I could ride my horses, I can do stuff around the barn without ever having to really worry about breaking the hand. And so I got the medium-sized hand Gen 2 in 2015, and then 2 years ago I went to getting the CX hand. I was so excited to be able to wash it and trying out gardening things, and then of course my favorite place is being at the barn and being around the horses. So wearing it around the barn and trying to put saddles on and not having to worry that I'm picking up a 20-pound saddle and worrying about breaking a finger. It just made life so much easier. You know, so it's those pivotal things that happen that you say, this is amazing. Like, how much more can I do? Reliability means that I can put my hand on in the morning and go throughout my entire day without ever having to think about, is the hand going to be able to perform this task? The TASKA hand has enabled me to have a sense of freedom in my day-to-day life. The confidence that I can do anything that I want to do. It's helped me become who I am and to grow and really help inspire others and help others to know that there is something out there that we can just really feel a sense of embodiment and able to have a greater sense of self-esteem and confidence that carries us through. I don't see how I would want to go to something else at this time because it fits all of the demands of my busy life.